Changes in climate have happened for millions of years. Several glacial eras have shaped Earth in a natural way. Earth's climate changed as a result of natural processes. But now climate is changing at an unprecedented rate. We are all responsible. If we continue on the same path, by the end of the century, the planet's average temperature might rise to such a level that consequences will be irreversible. The change must start now. The world has 7 billion people. We are consuming resources and wasting more than ever before. Carbon emissions have been rising and changing the atmosphere's composition. Which contributes to extreme weather events. Poorer countries are more vulnerable. Their dependence on local ecological resources, problems associated with health and welfare, make the poor less able to adapt to the impacts of climate change. To provide an habitable world for future generations, we all need to change now. In fact, climate change effects can be mitigated, and we can learn how to adapt to them. Every one of us has to commit to slowing down these changes. Because we are all affected by them. The Portuguese-speaking countries are, like any other, affected by the climate change. Some of them are more affected and more vulnerable than others, but each one of them will experience extreme weather events such as floods, increased fire hazards, and coastal erosion. So, what can we do? Use knowledge to educate and correct common misconceptions. Plan awareness-raising actions to encourage behavior that are environmentally friendly. And develop a wide range of communication services to support the education and awareness-raising efforts. Climate change is difficult to communicate by its very nature, mostly because greenhouse gases are invisible. Even so, communication is, by itself, a challenge. There might be a gap between the scientific community and the common citizen, which makes information difficult to perceive and absorb. On the other hand, an excess of information might desensitize the target audience, provoking a reduction in behavioral reactivity resulting from extensive information exposure. So, to inspire people into action, a successful communicator has to research. Make sure data is accurate and figure out the best way to present it. Know its audience. Communicate differently according to the target audience and local reality. Innovate. Show information on a different light using the new resources or using common resources in an original way. Motivate. Provide the tools that will turn words into actions. Simplify. Make information accessible, short, and powerful.